Hey guys, I'm back with a video. In this video, we'll be looking at this dress. This dress is called the Fairy Peak Party Vintage Classic Lolita Jumper Dress. I'm not sure what brand it is, but let's take a closer look. We see these flower details along the straps of the JSK. It's absolutely gorgeous. I don't know what flower this is, but I am in love. I am obsessed. We have this bow detailing on the front. This bow is detachable. I keep it on the dress because it's just easier for me. Then moving down, we have this beautiful pearl detail as well as with this gold chain. You can see this beautiful bodice too. It has this beautiful sequence, iridescent sequence on it. And all the lace detail is absolutely extravagant if you ask me. Everything about this dress is gorgeous. I would wear this dress every single day if it wasn't so heavy. And there's that pearl detailing along with that gold chain that I was talking about earlier, as well as those iridescent sequence on the bodice. And that continues throughout the dress. As you can see, it's on this sleeve of the JSK. And there's the pearl detail on the sleeve as well. This dress has no print, but honestly, it really doesn't need it. They have this flower detailing as well as this tulle detailing with, what would this be called? Floral eyelets? Lacing? I'm not sure. But if you lift that up, you can see that there's more sequence underneath. And this dress is mainly this beautiful lilac color, gold, white, and this beautiful iridescent blue. These are attached to the JSK. You can't remove them. It's on either side. And then we have this lace detailing, this purple lace detailing. And more of the lace overlay with the sequence on top. Oh, I'm so in love with this dress. You guys don't know, like, this dress is just, it's so beautiful. I'm really gushing about it. It was worth every penny. Have to fix that lace right there. That's the thing about this dress as well. Like, there's so much going on that you can't tell if, like, there's something out of place or not. But for the most part, you can't really tell. Okay, let me show you guys what I put together for a cord real quick. This cord is very, very simple because I mainly just wanted you guys to see how gorgeous this dress is when you're wearing it. It's very bright the day that I recorded this, so unfortunately the colors are pretty blown out. It was also hot that day, so I wasn't about to record it again. This dress is very heavy, and I don't like to put it on, but I love to wear it. But regardless of it being heavy, this dress is really good. It pairs with purple, it pairs with white. You can even possibly pair it with blue and gold. I just went simple and I paired it with the purple and the white that's in it. I have a handmade headdress and I have on some white shoes that I have from Amazon. If I were to up the quality of this cord, like make it over the top, I would make a necklace, add a bigger bonnet, add some of the sleeves, the accessories that they gave you. This dress came with a lot of accessories as well. So I hope you all enjoyed the close-up look of this beautiful, absolutely gorgeous dress. be on the lookout for more videos. I'm going to attempt to start posting once a week. We will see how that goes. Like my video, subscribe to my channel, comment below, and I'll see you all next time.